Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove screen lock on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, right now, I have set up a pattern, so I'll have to manually input a pattern each time I want to, use my phone. In order to actually disable it, that's spoiler here, we want to go into settings, scroll down a little bit, and go into lock screen and AOD. Here we have screen lock and biometrics. We simply click here, input our current password, and here we can choose none. And as you can see now, if I would lock my screen, there's not even a lock screen anymore because I'm automatically taken to my home screen. So, if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.